My first serious run alone at Turnbull. I ran it before up here. I had 2 or 3 people in the car, so I didn't get a real feel for it. But with them in it, it handled amazing. So we'll see right now how I do. I got a little chirping noise. I think I slammed the door one day, and now the lock thing, the thing that pops up and down, squeaks in there. It like shakes around. If I hold it, it stops. And when I hit the bumps, it doesn't squeak. And then I let it go. Let's see. Now you can hear it, alright? So, it is what it is. You're gonna have to deal with it. Hopefully the car sounds drown it out. If not, sorry. Put it in M1, so just in case there's any cops, they like to sit at the top right here, or other racers, or people just coming to see the scenic view. Doesn't look like any cops tonight. What is that, Integra? I don't think he wants it. This guy definitely doesn't want it. That's not good. There's not many spots on this side of the canyon to overtake, so sometimes cops like to sit right here too, right in front of the fire station, so just always got to be careful. Luckily, this car is completely 100% stock. No intakes, no tune, no exhaust, downpipe, nothing. So I don't gotta worry about getting state reffed. If I get pulled over, I don't gotta worry about popping my hood, nothing, everything's stock. So as long as I'm not stupid and I know the roads that I'm driving on, I should be all right with cops. pops. So it's weird. After a lot of heavy driving, the car won't pop. I thought it would make it pop more since the exhaust is hot, and that would make usually an exhaust pop more when it has a tune at least. But I guess these are different burbles and they turn off after the car is warm, supposedly, or something's wrong with my car. I heard something scraping, I'm not 100%. I heard a very weird noise when I switched it to M2 Sport Plus mode, but it doesn't look like it. Anything's dragging. That's what I thought. I thought something was dragging, but bully them for no reason just because I have an M4 competition. You know, when you own the car, you have to also embody what an M4 competition driver would do. So, you know, if a bike is on the side of the road, let's say, and he's coming towards you, the biker shouldn't be in the road. So as a BMW driver, you kind of flick to the right to scare them, and then they get scared and it kind of like gives them a mini heart attack, and then you laugh for like the next 5 minutes because that was probably the funniest thing you've done all week. And then yeah, you go on with, both of you guys go on with your day. There was no harm, no foul. I didn't hit the guy, I just scared him because, you know, bikers are a big disturbance in the street and they deserve that. Same thing with like if you're on the freeway and somebody's already going 30 miles over the speed limit, it's instrumental that you get as close as you can and make sure to ride their bumper for as long as you can. Even if there's an open lane to the right or to the left, it doesn't matter. You make sure to tailgate them so they see you in that rear view mirror that you never use in your car, because BMW driver, we don't use mirrors, blinkers. You know, the pop tune, make sure you pop it as much as possible. Make sure to get a tune for the car. Turn the burbles up to the maximum for the maximum length as well. Long story short, if you don't have an M4 competition, you don't even deserve to be living right now.